Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. How is everybody doing? Hopefully everybody's having a good day, remaining safe wherever you are. So of course today's vlog is going to be a come to school with me. I am actually in nail class or nail school, and I think this is day 4 if I'm not mistaken. Now, I only record when I go into school. I also do school online. I take the theory portion online, and I just come into work and then, come into school and then just practice when I get into school, so I don't have to do any work while I'm in school. I just do the work when I'm at home. So today's video is basically going to be me, of course, practicing on diamond. And for you guys that do know who Diamond is, of course, my nail hand. Did have to come up with a name for her, so that's the name that I chose. And so I'm basically going to be doing another long stiletto set. But this time I found some, well, I've been ordering stuff off of Amazon. So I have some Mickey Mouse holographic glitters that I wanted to use because I am such a Mickey fan, and I was like, let me just go ahead and do this. So I used the holographic Mickey kind of like glitter, and I put that on the acrylic nail, and then I just encapsulated that with clear acrylic, and then I'm just gonna shape and file and then put some polish on it. Now I thought I was gonna put some rhinestones on it, but I'm like, you know what, this needs to stand out by itself. So first of all, right, are you subscribed? If not, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that way you never miss another video. I currently have a poll out that's going to ask, would you guys prefer videos at 8 o'clock in the morning or at noon Central Time? So actually let me know down in the comments below which one you prefer, because some people prefer in the afternoon because they wake up late or they go on lunch at that time. And some people prefer early in the morning where they can watch it, then get out the bed, get dressed, and then go on about the day. So let me know what you guys think about that. So you see me right here deciding if I want to add some stamping on top of Mickey. But I was like, you know what? No, I need to let these nails pop on their own. So I was like, nope, no thank you. Put that right in the bag. So yeah, I mean, here's the thing, right? As a nail tech or a future nail tech, you have to kind of be your own designer, and you kind of have to gauge what your clients like, what they don't like, what certain clients will let you do and what clients won't let you do. You have to kind of know what clients will give you free reign to do whatever it is that you want to do. As you can see, these are the rhinestones that I was going to put on the nails, like as cuticle bling. But I was like, nah, I want Mickey to stand out. So, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy watching these vlogs. Give this video a thumbs up if you like vlogs like this when I go into school, so that way you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. For those that don't know, I do go to nail school to become a nail technician, obviously. So that way I can get my license. I have to do 350 hours in order to do it. So as you see right here, I do have my portable Melody Susie nail drill. If you haven't seen the review or me purchasing this nail drill, then go ahead and check my videos, so that way you can go ahead and look at that one. And you can see that I'm using a medium drill bit, so that way I can start shaping the nail, because I already laid the encapsulation over the glitters. So yeah, I was trying to find the best angles to get this from. Of course, I don't have a tripod or anything with me, so of course I'll be recording from each side. Hopefully I try to get as much footage as I can. And again, let me know if you guys enjoy these videos of me in the nail school doing some work. And I'll be back probably throughout this video to kind of explain what it is that I am doing. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Oh, like I said, hopefully you subscribed. If you're not subscribed, press that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And also, if you aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you do that. Follow me at IamBiscuit7. And yeah, so you can keep up with what I'm doing. So, of course, I just get through buffing the nails so that way I can remove any scratches that I might have gotten. And then now I am going to get my nail lamp out. I'm going to get my top coat out. So the polishes that I take to nail school are the Beatles brand. It came in a pack of 20 gel polishes. Well, 23, I take that back. It came in a pack of 23, but actually 20 are actually colored nail polishes. The other three, one is a base coat, one is a top coat, and one is a matte top coat. So again, it comes with 23 colors. So far, I don't really know what to think about them. I did use them on actually one of my clients, and a few days later, she did start having some chipping on two of her fingers. So I'm not really sure too much on how I like this brand yet. But I love the top coats. But I don't know, it could have been because she was doing too much on the nails, maybe with her hands. I'm not sure, but I don't really know what to think about the brand yet. I've only used it on one client. So yeah, as you can see, I'm applying the top coat and then I'm going to cure it and then I will be all done. So hopefully you guys enjoy these types of videos. Again, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know that we're good to go. That way I can keep recording these vlogs when I go into school. And as always, follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7. And comment down below and let me know what other videos you want to see. I'm trying to give you guys more content every single day as I have it. Not only that, I do try to create videos when I am doing clients and so on and so forth. So I will see you guys in the next video and stay safe.